Okay, children, this was the past paper question that we were discussing. The opening balance is already given here, and we are supposed to enter the details of the third motor vehicle that we purchased. The third motor vehicle was purchased on 1st of July 2014, which is worth around 15,000. Now we need to balance this ledger. So you get 40,000 here, 40,000, 40,000, 31st 12 2014 as balance carried down, 1st of 1st 2015 as balance brought down 40,000. Right? Now let's have a look at the marking scheme, whether we get the same answer. Yes. And then we are going to balance it for the next year. There is no difference in balancing for the next year. So leave a line, draw the balancing. Debit side is greater. Bring down the balance 40,000, 40,000, 40,000 here as balance carried down. 31st 12 2015. Bring it down to the next year, 1st of Jan 2016 as balance brought down 40,000. Right, so this is how you complete a motor vehicle account. And then next one, you have to prepare a provision for depreciation account, which I explained you in the previous class, but once again I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, now let's see how to complete this particular provision for depreciation account. You can remember I explained you for A and B you calculate for one financial year. Let me take the cost. The cost is 12,000, 13,000, and the depreciation is 20%. And this one is 15,000. And we are calculating 20% for each one of them. However, for the last one, we actually purchased it on 1/7/14. Therefore, the financial year ends on 31st 12/14. It's almost for 6 months only with you. Therefore, 6/12. Now, let's do the calculation. Which is 12,000 into 20 divided by 100, which gives you 2,400 for this one. Whereas for the second one, which is 13,000 into 20 divided by 100, which is 2,600. Whereas for the last one, 15,000 into 20 divided by 100, which gives 3,000. However, you have to find only for 6 months, which is 6 divided by 12, therefore 1,500. Now let's find the total depreciation, which is 2,400 plus 2,600 plus 1,500, which gives you 6,500. Now this 6,500 is the amount of depreciation which you are supposed to charge for this financial year. So let's check whether it's the same answer. 6,500 you can see in the marking scheme, 6,500. So we're going to enter this 6,500 in provision for depreciation account. This amount goes to income statement under the category of expenses as of 31st 12 2014. Now let's balance the ledger. Credit side is greater. So it's 11,000. 11,100 plus 6,500, which gives 17,600. So 17,600 balance carried down as at 31st 12 2014 and 1st of Jan 2015 balance brought down 17,600. Now this is for the year 2014 we calculated. But remember children, for 2015 you can take the total of all these, which gives you this total of all these, which gives you 40,000, and directly calculate 20% of it because it's there with you for one financial year. So 40,000 into 20 divided by 100 gives you 8,000. Now what will you do with this 8,000? 8,000 is for the current year, which is income statement expense, 31st 12 2015, balance of the ledger. Let's find the total, which is 8,000 plus 17,600, which gives you 25,600. Balance carried down 31st 12 2015, 1st of Jan 2016. Balance brought down 25,600. Now you can see you have the same answer over here. They had given the breakdown. That's not important. You can just calculate it the way that I had done it for you guys. Now the next question here is, right, we are done with A and B. We had prepared this one. Now the next question here is, show the extracts for 2015 non-current asset. So you can write the non-current asset is motor vehicle. The cost of the total non-current asset was 40,000. And the depreciation, accumulated depreciation that we had calculated for this year is 25,600. Deduct it and then you would find the net book value. So that is 40,000 take away 25,600, which gives you 14,400. So let's check whether you got the same answer over here. So you can see that we got the same answer. Next one, calculate the depreciation of motor vehicle B up to the date of disposal. Now see, on 1st Jan 16, motor vehicle B was sold for 2,900 and they're asking you to calculate the depreciation for B, right? And 1st Jan 2016, motor vehicle B was sold for 2,900. And when did they purchase it? Let's look at the question. Okay, they already have 3,900. Right. Now you can see here, as per the marking scheme, 3,900 was the opening, and then you calculated depreciation for year 2014 and for the year 2015. This is your opening balance. So total depreciation is how much? 9,100 up to that date. Okay, basically children, look here. These are the values that you're going to take. Let me color code it in pink. At the beginning, we had depreciation 3,900, and then During 2014, you calculated 2600, and during 2015 also it's 2600. Here I have actually done it collectively, but if you take it separate, it's 2600 again. Last one, complete the table to name the ledger accounts to be debited and credited to record the disposal. Very easy. I taught you all the double entries. To transfer original cost, disposal debit, motor vehicle credit. To transfer accumulated depreciation, provision for depreciation debit, disposal credit. Recording the proceeds of sale of motor vehicle, cash or bank debit, disposal credit. So complete this past paper question, and you need to update your Microsoft OneNote with all the completed work that you have done. You may do it in written. It's up to you. If you're doing it in written, please make sure to take a photo and then attach or upload. Better you attach the document, paste the document in Microsoft